yeah. Yeah, it's going to be a good day today, guys. Go Lions!
Comes to mind today, right now. Play at the level that they're unable or unwilling to match. That's what we say every game. We got to do that today. All of us. It's going to take all of us.
This is the stage we all want to play on now. All of us now. Let's go out there. Let's make a statement now. Let's go out there, play fast, play physical. Let's go get the motherfucking ball. That's what it's all about. Run around, fly around, do what you do, and let's have some swag out here on these boys.
Hey, remember what the you played for. I play for everyone in this circle right here, and I know y'all do the same, all right? Stick together, hit him in the mouth from the first snap. Lions on 3, 1, 2, 3.
We are set to go. Great crowd here at Ford Field. Week number 4 in the National Football League in a terrific matchup. Lions at 2-0-1. Chiefs come in at 3-0. We are ready to rock. Glad you're with us. Let's do this. Matthew Stafford and the offense will come out and take over at their own 25-yard line. Looks, throws, got a man wide open. It's Galladay, midfield, at the 40-yard line, into Chiefs territory, and taken down. Muehlbach to snap, there it is. Sam Martin, the hold, kick away. It is up, it is good. And the Lions lead this one by a score of 3-0. Crowd making some noise. First time as a professional that Patrick Mahomes has played in the Dome. It is 3rd and 10 for Kansas City from the Lion 18. This crowd up and making noise. Hit as he throws to the end zone, incomplete. Chiefs will send their field goal unit out, try to tie this game. Kick on the way, it is up and it is no good. He missed it.
This is how we stand up, right there. Keep going, eh?
Throws deep middle, got a man. It is caught inside the 20, inside the 15, and down to the 11-yard line with the first down goes Marvin Jones. Matthews got it, back to pass, looks, throws, end zone, caught, touchdown, Detroit Lions, TJ Hockenson on the other end. Terrific protection for Stafford that time. His tight end came open and he found it.
Nice job. You guys are playing physical right now. Don't let off the gas, right?
Mahomes back to pass, looks, throws, end zone, caught, touchdown. No! Knocked away! In and out of the hands that time of Sammy Watkins with Justin Coleman coming in to pry it loose. So we got 30 minutes to play, and we are all even as we begin the third quarter. That finds a hole at the 20 to the 25. Ball comes loose. It's free on the ground. It's across the 25. The Lions say they've got it. That is Detroit football, baby. Mahomes this time gives it to Williams, who lost the ball. It's free. The Lions come out of there with it. Ashawn's got it. Trey Flowers knocked it out of there. It's a big-time play by him. Bashaud Breeland came out of there with the football. He's running back the other way. The officials came running in like they blew it dead. Bashaud Breeland's going to run into the end zone. It is a first down. Watkins with a flag down. That ball may have come loose in there. There's a scramble again. And they're going to say the Lions have got it. The Lions have got it. That is 3 takeaways in the third quarter. Steps up, Stafford can run, he will. That's a gutsy quarterback right there. There's the snap, he's back, looks, throws, end zone. Caught! Touchdown, Detroit Lions! Oh, baby, Kenny Galladay hauled it in. Stafford with another dart, and the Lions are back on top.
That throw there from Matthew Stafford, oh my goodness. You talking about a laser. His window had to be that small to get that ball into, and he drilled it in there. Awesome throw by Matthew Stafford right there.
Got to get out of there. Stafford's going to run, slips a couple of tackles, and picks up 8 yards.
Stafford leans down with the shoulder, and the crowd loves it.
Looks, throws deep left side, wants Hall. Hall makes the catch! Oh, Marvin Hall, welcome to Detroit, young man! Matthews got the football, back blitz comes, floats it into the end zone. It is caught. Did he get both feet down? They say he did. Touchdown, Kenny Galladay. Stafford floated it up there, and Big 19 came down with it.
After reviewing the play, the ruling on the field stands.
Deep downfield into the end zone. It is knocked down, incomplete. The Lions absorbed their first loss of the season, fall to 2-1-1. Final score, Kansas City 34, the Lions 30. This is Lions Radio.